People are switching to Whop, and it's not by accident. The way people make money online is changing fast, and the old tools just aren't keeping up. Creators used to need 5 or 6 different platforms just to run one business. One for payments, one for hosting content, another for community, and more just to keep everything running. It was messy, expensive, and honestly, exhausting. Whop changes that. Instead of spreading everything out, it brings it all into one place. You can sell digital products, run memberships, host private communities, offer courses, and even manage subscriptions, all from a single dashboard. And it's not just about features, it's about speed. You can go from idea to fully running business in minutes, not days. No complicated setup, no technical headaches, just a clean system that works. Another big reason people are switching is control. On Whop, creators aren't boxed in. You decide how you sell, what you offer, and how your audience interacts with it. And unlike a lot of platforms, you actually keep more of what you earn. That matters, especially when you're trying to scale. For buyers, the experience is just as smooth. Everything is in one place. One login, instant access, no confusion, no digging through emails or trying to figure out where something is hosted. You buy it and you're in. That simplicity is a big deal, because when things are easy, people stick around. And that's really what Whop is building, a better experience on both sides, for creators and for customers. So whether you're starting your first online business, growing a community, or just looking for a better way to manage everything, it's easy to see why more people are choosing Whop.